What's happening? This is Itsjohnnysnow back in the building, and we are finally about to change the clothes on this Draco 9S. This Draco 9S. If you haven't seen the video where I put the new clothes on Dr. Manhattan right here, this is a Dr. Manhattan build. Go ahead and check that video out. All right, let's go ahead and put these new clothes on the 9S. Alright, this is not the first NAC9 or the second NAC9 that I've done. This is one of my other NAC9s right here, and this is just the regular NAC9. This NAC9 that I'm about to do next is the 9S that takes Scorpion mags, and this right here is really one of my favorite weapons. And you know, we finna see what this 9S is going to look like. So let's go ahead and get a better look. All right, so first thing you're gonna want to do, pop the magazine out, make sure she's empty, and as you see, she's already locked back, so she is empty. So let's go ahead and pop. We have a folding dust cover on this, so boom, got that. And actually, let me go ahead and pop that forward. That way we can get the spring out, and go ahead and get the buffer out. She was a little stiff, didn't want to come out. This is what you want to hold once you get the buffer off. You want to go ahead and hold this so it doesn't screw out. Well, it doesn't fall out once you screw the pistol grip off. This pistol grip is a flat head screw, which is very easy to get off. Just screw it off and push down, and then you're able to go ahead and get it off. So I don't like to let that fall out right there, so you just leave it in there. Now let's go ahead and put this pistol grip on here. This pistol grip was made by WAS Wood Twerks. WAS Wood Twerks. And oh man, I am loving this. Check that out. That's freaking beautiful. So let's go ahead and get that on there. Hold on just a second. With this, go ahead and drop it in there first, and let me get my Allen wrench ready, and we'll get it and screw it on down. There we go. Pistol grip installed. So now let's go ahead and pull the bolt out. Once we get the bolt out, there are several ways you can flip this, but a couple taps with the old non-marking hammer will do it. Now you can pull this off. There we go. We got that off. Now you want to flip the lever right here, which I've never had this lever be easy to deal with, but there she goes. Now that you have the lever turn, you can get your non-marking hammer again. Just a couple of taps she'll slide on off. Once you get a slide on off, you have to work this off. So right there is probably about as far as you're going to be able to pull it. Non-marking hammer. Boom. Now she's off. Now she is off. So here comes the next part of getting this done. Now that you've gotten that off, let's put this all over to the side. First thing I'm going to want to do is change this out. Change out the gas tube cover, and this is what I've found to be the easiest way to do this. Get it and just turn it to a crescent wrench. You just turn it, and once you've turned it, you can pop it on off. Boom. No, a lot of people have trouble with that, but it's actually pretty easy. Now let's go ahead and get this new gas tube cover on here. Let you get a good look at that. Get a good look at that. Ah, that is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and get this new one on. Hold on. All right, there she goes. You put it on there. Now you get your crescent wrench again. And once you twist it, that's where you want it. Now she is ready to go on. She is ready to go on. So I can set this crescent wrench to the side. All right, so now it's time to put the foregrip on there. Now you guys check this out. Check this out. This is the foregrip, and this is amazing work. Amazing work. WAS Woodworks. Got the brass on the front, got the brass on the back. Let's see if you can see that. All right, so to put this on, what you want to do, slide it in first, then slide it there, and you want to get your non-marking hammer, tap it down. Boom, there she goes. She has seated all the way in there, and you want to push that all the way down. Now you have to flip the lever back over. With changing to any aftermarket wood furniture, see where that lever's at? Sometimes you're going to have to get your hammer. Let me get it on there good. And tap it on down. Doesn't hurt anything at all. Does not hurt anything at all. Now we're ready to put this gas tube back on here. Let's see if you can see that. Now you can slide it. Slide it on in there, and then go ahead and boom. Tapped it a little too far. All right, so There we go. We got her all the way together on the outside. Let's put her back together on the inside. So let's go ahead and get that back in there. Get this buffer. Squeeze it, get it in there, and then push it down, push it back, and you get your spring. Drop it back on there, drop your sight. She is back together. And here she is. Here she is. The final product. The final product. Hold on just a second. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Y'all hit me up. Tell me what I should name this build. I'm going to let you guys choose the name of this build right here, because this is awesome. I absolutely love this. Here, let me let you guys check it out. We got the rails on the side. Have the cheese grater built into the wood. Now, tell me that's not awesome. Yeah, that is absolutely awesome, and it fits great. Like I said, this is WAS Woodworks. WAS Woodworks. And you can find them on Instagram. And this is the Draco 9S. Draco 9S. And when I tell you that this feels great, this feels absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. So, like I said, hit me in the comment. You know, tell me what you think I should name this build right here. And, you know, we're getting ready to go ahead and get these to the range and shoot them. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I like this. I like this. I like this. So if you haven't followed this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe. And that way you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. Johnny Snow up out of here.